This video's for you, Maddie Kate. There's something about the rain that always makes them want to play and run, and they always end up slipping and falling. Carrie's the mayor, the one you see there just eating the grain. She's too good for that foolishness that the boys are partaking in, she says. See Bo and Sid. Bo is actually pulling, you can't see it, but Bo is pulling at Sid's bottom lip. So, they're so funny. Carousel. Hey, big girl, what you doing? What are those silly boys doing? What are you doing, Toby? What are you doing, bud?